Welcome back, everybody. So, this is the revision, right? So, we're going to take this and turn it into this. So, let's talk about what makes this such a better paper. Now, looking here, we'll go ahead and start talking about it, right? This is a much better title, Imagery of a Rose with Love, right? So, you notice here, what I've done with the highlightings is I've highlighted any instance of the word imagery or image, right? And one thing that you'll notice is that it's in the title, it's in the main idea, it's in the topic sentence of the first body paragraph, it's included in the discussion and the analysis in that first body paragraph, it's in the topic sentence of the second body paragraph, and again, it's included in the analysis and discussion in that body paragraph. And then it's in the closing. So what is it? Why is this being highlighted here? Well, this is just to give a visual, right, that I'm staying on topic. I'm focused like a laser on analyzing imagery. All right, so this is what we need to do. We need to focus here. So the image that I'm going to be focusing upon here, right, is going to be the image of the rose. Okay, so the main idea, let's take a look here. Poems often contain imagery which suggests a thing seen. So there's my definition. I've cited it and use love as a theme. These common examples are combined in E. E. Cummings' Somewhere I Have Never Traveled Gladly Beyond with the image of the rose while exploring a relationship. Much better, clear and direct. Now, as we look in this first body paragraph, right, I have my topic sentence. The rose image's first use shows the gradual openness of new lovers. Then I have a quote. Now notice, right, what's happening here is this quote is being connected to the sentence. This is what we want to do. Remember, if you use line breaks, we have to use that backslash, okay? And then my citation, okay? So then I have discussion. The image of a closed rose is like that of an opening hand between lovers. It releases into a flower, not all at once, but slowly, petal by petal. Then analysis. This willful opening shows the relationship's start and growth. Right? Imagery, again, I'm staying on topic. So again, anytime I have a claim, I have to have evidence. Evidence comes from the quotes. And you can't just walk away from a quote, everybody. Once you put a quote in, you have to discuss it. What's significant about it? Why did you use that quote? That gives us the discussion and the analysis. Right? So I have a little transition here built into my topic sentence, which again is including, right, my purpose in writing. Imagery of the rose being combined with the theme of love continues and helps to end the poem with its fifth stanza. So again, I continue that pattern. Claim, evidence, analysis, right? Following through. Then, here's my closing. To conclude, the common poetic subject of love and the image of a rose are combined in Somewhere I Have Never Traveled Gladly Beyond, which explores a relationship's formation. Good closing, nice and tight. Remember, everybody, that the opening as well as the closing, only 1 to 2 sentences each, so that way we save the bulk of the word count for the discussion. This is where we want to see this happen. So, right, word count 300, boom, nailed it. So why is this revision so much better? Well, in the revision, we're actually talking about the poem. We're focused on the purpose in writing, okay? As well, we're not wasting any words. We're on topic. How can we prove that we're on topic, right? Just like we're seeing in highlighted and just ping-ponging back and forth is we're focused on the purpose in writing here, which is imagery. So if you're writing, say, for example, about illusion, a good thing to do would be to check yourself just like this. Is each body paragraph focused on illusion? Or have you, for example, slipped away and started talking about symbolism, right? If that's the case, stop. You're going to have to revise the paper. So make sure that you're staying on topic, right? As well, the revision here is very clean. There's no errors in word choice. Do you remember the 3 most common errors in word choice? Contractions, improper use of directions, improper use of the verb to get. So please remember, do not use contractions. You might have noticed I said do not. That's right, I didn't say the contraction. Do not use contraction. Avoid improper use of directions. Avoid to get. That's such a lazy verb. So here we have a nice, tight paper, really clear. We have quotes. It's targeted. Good discussion. Nice analysis. And of course, everybody knows the grade for this paper, what sound this makes. Ah, yes. This is a nice paper. So up next, we want to take a look at the common errors students of the past have made regarding mini essay number 2. So before we take a look at common errors of the past with mini essay number 2, be sure to go through and fill those in, and then we'll take a look.